Cinnamon farming, a practice steeped in history and tradition, is an intricate dance between nature and nurture, a journey that begins with the right seeds and culminates in the fragrant spice that graces our kitchens and lives. To understand cinnamon farming, one must first appreciate the unique characteristics of the cinnamon tree itself, known scientifically as Cinnamomum verum, or true cinnamon. This evergreen tree, native to Sri Lanka and parts of Southeast Asia, thrives in warm, humid climates, typically at elevations between 1,500 to 2,500 feet. The cultivation of cinnamon requires a deep understanding of its ecological needs, as well as a commitment to sustainable farming practices. The journey begins with selecting the right land. Cinnamon trees prefer well-drained, loamy soil rich in organic matter. Farmers often conduct soil tests to determine pH levels and nutrient content, ensuring optimal conditions for growth. The ideal pH for cinnamon is slightly acidic, around 5.5 to 6.5. Once the land is prepared, the next step is planting. Cinnamon is propagated from cuttings rather than seeds, as this method ensures that the new plants retain the desirable characteristics of the parent tree. Cuttings are typically taken from healthy, mature trees, and they are planted in nurseries where they can develop roots before being transferred to the field. After about 6 months, the young trees are ready for transplanting. Careful consideration must be given to spacing. Cinnamon trees require ample room to grow, ideally about 6 to 8 feet apart. This spacing allows for proper air circulation and sunlight penetration, both essential for healthy growth. The trees thrive under a canopy of shade, so farmers often interplant them with taller trees, creating a microclimate that protects young cinnamon plants from harsh sunlight and strong winds. Cinnamon farming is not just about planting and waiting. It requires ongoing care and attention. Farmers must regularly monitor their crops for pests and diseases. Common pests include leaf-eating caterpillars and scale insects, which can be controlled through organic methods such as introducing beneficial insects or using neem oil. Disease management is equally critical, as fungal infections can devastate crops. Farmers often practice crop rotation and maintain good hygiene in the fields to prevent the spread of pathogens. As the trees mature, typically after 2 to 3 years, they begin to produce bark that can be harvested. The harvesting process is a delicate art. Farmers carefully select branches that are at least 1 year old, as this bark is the most aromatic and flavorful. Using a sharp knife, they make a precise cut to peel the bark away from the wood. This process is done with care to avoid damaging the tree, as the cinnamon tree can continue to produce bark for many years if harvested sustainably. After the bark is removed, it is left to dry in the sun, curling into the familiar quills that we recognize as cinnamon. The drying process is crucial. It not only enhances the flavor, but also ensures the longevity of the spice. Properly dried cinnamon should have a rich, warm aroma and a slightly sweet flavor. Once dried, it can be sold as quills, ground into powder, or processed into essential oils. The market for cinnamon is vast, spanning culinary uses to medicinal applications, making it a valuable crop for farmers. Sustainability is a key aspect of cinnamon farming. With increasing global demand for cinnamon, it is essential for farmers to adopt practices that protect the environment. This includes maintaining biodiversity by intercropping with other plants, which can improve soil health and reduce pest outbreaks. Organic farming methods, such as composting and the use of natural fertilizers, help maintain soil fertility without depleting it. Farmers are also encouraged to engage in agroforestry, integrating cinnamon cultivation with the conservation of forested areas, thus promoting ecological balance. The economic aspects of cinnamon farming are equally important. Farmers often work within cooperatives, pooling resources and knowledge to improve their yields and market access. This collaborative approach not only enhances productivity, but also strengthens community ties. By sharing best practices and providing support, farmers can navigate the challenges of fluctuating market prices and climate change impacts more effectively. As the world becomes increasingly aware of the benefits of sustainable agriculture, the demand for ethically sourced cinnamon continues to rise. Consumers are looking for products that not only taste good, but also contribute positively to the environment and local economies. This shift in consumer behavior presents an opportunity for cinnamon farmers to market their products as organic, fair trade, or sustainably harvested, potentially commanding higher prices in the marketplace. Cinnamon farming is not without its challenges. Farmers must contend with the realities of climate change, which can alter rainfall patterns and increase the frequency of extreme weather events. Droughts can stress the trees, while excessive rainfall can lead to root rot and other issues. Adapting to these changes requires innovation and resilience. Some farmers are experimenting with climate-resilient varieties of cinnamon or employing water conservation techniques to mitigate the impacts of drought. Moreover, the labor-intensive nature of cinnamon harvesting often means that farmers rely on seasonal workers, which can create vulnerabilities in the labor market. Ensuring fair wages and working conditions is essential for the sustainability of the workforce that supports this industry. By investing in the well-being of their workers, farmers not only enhance productivity, but also contribute to the overall health of their communities. In conclusion, cinnamon farming is a multifaceted endeavor that intertwines agricultural knowledge, environmental stewardship, and economic viability. It is a practice that requires patience, skill, and a deep respect for nature. From selecting the right land and caring for the trees, to harvesting the fragrant bark and navigating the complexities of the market, cinnamon farming is a journey that connects farmers to their heritage and to the global community. As we sprinkle this aromatic spice into our dishes, we are reminded of the dedication and craftsmanship behind every quill, a testament to the rich tapestry of life that cinnamon farming represents.